Hi guys, and welcome to the 6th Sass tutorial. In this video, we will be looking at the import keyword, as well as creating and using partial files. So I have set up a basic website that consists of 4 pages. We have a home page, an about page, a product page, and a contact page. And on the right, you can see the website in the browser, with the 4 pages. In this video, we will be breaking apart the Sass code for each of these pages and placing them in their own file. Then using the import keyword, we will import all the files into one. We can close all these files as we will only be looking at the Sass code in this video. So the Sass file has a few parts to it. At the top we have all the variables, and then we have the mixins, followed by the styling for the navbar, and then the styling for the pages themselves. We can put each chunk of code into its own file, called a partial file. Doing this will make our code a lot easier to maintain. Before we create our partial files, let's first create a folder to hold all of our partial files. I'm going to call this folder Page Style. Now in this folder, I'm going to create a new file and call it variables.scss. You need to start a partial file with the underscore. This lets Sass know not to compile it as a normal SCSS file, but that it will be imported into another SCSS file. So now we can copy all of our variables into this new variables file. So now back in the main Sass file, we need to import the variables file we just created. This can be done using the import keyword followed by the file location. So in this case, it is the page style/variables. When you are importing a partial file, you do not need to include the .scss extension or the underscore. Now when the style.scss file is being compiled, it will import all the variables at the top of this page. Now let's create a new partial file for our mixins. I will call this file _mixins.scss. And I'll copy the mixin into this new mixin partial file. Then just like the variable file, I will need to import this file as well. So import page styles/mixins. Let's save this and test it by refreshing the browser. Everything looks the exact same, so we know there's no errors. Now we will do the same for the navbar. So as you can see, splitting the Sass code into many files will really help organize the code, especially when you have a few thousand lines of Sass code. Now if you want to make some changes to the navbar, you can just open up the navbar partial file and make the changes there, instead of searching through one file with everything in it. I need to make 2 more partial files, one for the primary page, which is the home page, and another for the secondary pages, which are the about, contact, and product pages. So let's create a new file and call it _primarypages.scss. And the last file I'll call _secondarypages.scss. Now all I need to do is copy the Sass code for the main file into these last 2 partial files and we will be done. Let's import the primary page. And then we can copy and paste this Sass code and paste it into the secondary page. Now let's import the last files, page style/secondary page. If we save this, the website should look the exact same, provided we made no errors. Let's refresh the browser, and everything looks great. So now you know how to better manage your Sass code using partial files. So try using them and see if you notice a difference in maintainability of the code. That's it for this video. Please give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and if you have not subscribed yet, make sure you do so you don't miss out on any more awesome videos. Thanks for watching.